look at you. Look at yourself. What you looking at? Is that mom right there? Is that mom?
You want to hold him? And I'll take a picture with take a picture of him with you.
I will. I will in a minute. Riley, hey there. Hey, Mister. Hey, Mister.
We don't need that.
How you doing, big guy? How you doing, Mister? Oh yeah, you gonna get the vegetable soup again, huh? Chelsea tastes like vegetable soup. Huh? Oh, sorry, my eye itched. Yeah, Chelsea tastes like vegetable soup, doesn't she? Oops, sorry.
Hey, Baba, what are you doing? Hi.
He's gonna be a movie star. Yeah, you're gonna be a movie star, mister. You're gonna be a movie star. Okay, I'm gonna cut this in about 3 seconds. Okay, see you later, buds.